officers from across the Miami Valley took part in the Racial Intelligence Training and Engagement course to promote change within their own departments. News Center 7's Ronell Hunt was there, and he shows us how the training works.
Middletown's chief of police told me he's hosted the RITE Academy in the past, but felt opening the two-day course to other agencies was important as they focus on fixing problems and rebuilding community trust within all departments.
A lot of people don't believe officers are real people. We don't have emotions, but the stuff we see on a daily basis, from disturbances to individuals hurt on accidents to shootings, really takes a toll on an officer.
Along with personal issues, co-founder of RITE Training, Webb, says officers need to be taught if and when a job is affecting them. One helpful tool given to officers was the emotions ladder.
As we give them this tool and we tell them, take it in your patrol car, use this in between police calls, get your emotions in check. When you go to roll out of your patrol car, ask yourself, where am I at emotionally? Get my emotions in check. Then I engage with the public.
By using what is called the EI-SI-RI approach, Webb says all officers are taught a deeper sense of accountability and to intervene if they see a fellow officer react to a scene irrationally or go into what is called blockout mode.
My police partner next to me, may see me going into blockout. So what we teach in this class is duty to intervene, the right response. And that is to step in, tap out, and take action.
With programs like the RITE training, we need to continue to develop those because we can't do this alone. We have to do this. It needs a community event. We need the pastors. We need the reverends. We need the community. We need support from administration top down, and they have it here, and they understand that, and I think the community understands that.
Chief Birk said along with other training courses in place, he plans on making the RITE Academy an annual requirement for all officers a part of Middletown PD. In Middletown, Ronell Hunt, News Center 7.